Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about Chubb Recruitment Process in 2023. So basically this Chubb Business Service India Limited, it is a company that have started in 2019, and this company has visited many campuses in the years. So here we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria, then the recruitment process and where you can apply. So the interview process is having 3 rounds. First round is going to be the coding round. So in this coding round, the duration will be 2 hours. So within 2 hours, you need to complete 3 data structure questions. So in the hacker rank, they will be providing you a contest URL. So in that contest link, you will be able to see some 3 coding questions from data structures, which has to be completed in 2 hours. So basically the questions will be of easy to medium difficulty. So say for example, some questions like rat in a maze problem, or program to convert hexadecimal to binary and check for balanced parentheses in an expression, or any questions from binary search tree, trees, graphs, traversals and all those steps. So once you are completing those 2 questions, right, they will be shortlisted for the next round, that is a technical HR round. So in this technical HR round, it will be around approximately 30 minutes of interview. So in this 30 minutes, again you will be asked questions in programming only, like sorting methods, traversing array, and like how we can add the 10-digit numbers. So they will be asking some questions in stack and queue. So basically you should be strong with fundamentals of programming and data structure. So fundamentals of programming starting with the basic concepts till arrays or strings, as well as data structure starting from linked list, stack, queue, trees and graphs. Right. And the third round, again you will be having a managerial round, that will be like a technical discussion round. So where you will be asked questions from operating systems, data structures and algorithm, your area of interest, your project based questions. So all these type of questions you can expect in the third round. So this is how basically the recruitment process of Chubb will be. So first round is going to be the coding round, where you can expect 2 coding questions from data structures, 3 coding questions from data structures, which has to be completed within 2 hours of time. So the platform is HackerRank platform. It was, now it is not yet revealed. It may be HackerRank platform or some other platform. Right. And then you will be having the technical round and HR round. So in technical round also, similarly data structures and algorithms, web development questions can be asked, and project based questions can be asked in the HR round. And coming to the Chubb recruitment process for the 2023, so they are actually hiring for a fresher role for the research associate position in Bangalore location. So any graduate candidates are eligible for this particular role. So the role is research associate, and you can apply for this particular role as a fresher, and if you are a graduate, you can apply for the same. And the eligibility criteria, you should be a 2020 or 2021 or 2022 batch pass out student. So you should be a graduate in 2020, 21 and 22, so 3 years, not 23. That is like current, those who have completed now, right? So they won't be. Yep. And if we see the job description, so the research associate role, right? This is a role which involves like monitoring, investigating, and reporting trends across multiple industrial sectors and market segments. So here the area of research will be like you need to have a focus on political, economical, and environmental and legal issues which is affecting the insurance industry. And the basic expectations or the requirements which they need for this particular role is, you should have a knowledge on market research, company profiling, and you should be able to scan through the headlines and select what is relevant fields, and you should be able to ability to write logical and grammatically correct reports, and like Microsoft Office applications like Word, PowerPoint and Excel, you should have a good knowledge on MS Office. Then you should have like strong communication skills, and the degrees, like if you are a BS, BTech, BSc, MTech or MSc is actually considered. And freshers with exceptional communication skills and educational background of English literature, journalism, economics, are also well preferred for this. So this is all about the eligibility criteria for this particular role. And there is one other thing for this Chubb, that is the Insurance Assessment Center. For this, like, what is this Chubb's insurance hiring process in the sense? Like, you can begin your search with Chubb in different ways. Like, you can look through the job openings posted on their website, right? So this is your website. Here, you can search and apply for the particular jobs. So we have the recruitment process here itself, right? If I click on this, now here if you click on this, you will be able to see all the jobs here. So our people, their citizenship, right? So how will be the life, like their culture, learning and development, diversity, and their career. And if you want to search jobs, you can search jobs here. So this is their official website where you will get a lot many informations on the part. Now here you can apply for the same. So many roles are there. So you can apply the filter and you can check for the same. So which role is fitting for you perfectly, you can apply for the same. So here basically you will create a online profile, right? So here you can create an online profile first. So after creating the online profile, you can send the applications, right? So if you apply in this particular way, right, you will be notified as the job which is matching your skill set. So there you can see the jobs which is matching your skill set. So you are supposed to log in into the official website of Chubb and create an online profile. Then you can see the jobs which is matching your skill set, right? And then you will receive the emails also. Notify that your application has been received, or if your application matches the skills or something like that, right? So here the recruitment process for this Chubb's insurance online test is first you will be having an psychometric test, that is an all-in assessment before the interview. So this test is a skill based test, such as in order to check your Excel proficiency test, or depending upon which role you have applied, right, in order to check your knowledge on that particular role. So they will be conducting an online assessment. So basically these certain tests will be including verbal reasoning test. So what is the reason behind the verbal reasoning test is to ensure that you are able to understand the verbal instructions and the written informations, right? You should be able to communicate with everyone in a very neat manner. For that they will be conducting the verbal reasoning test. And then you will have the numerical reasoning test. So like many positions, they require the ability to work with numbers, right? So mathematical skills, in order to check it, they are conducting the numerical reasoning test. And in order to measure your information with non-verbal information, like proficiency with non-verbal part, they will be conducting you the abstract reasoning test, right? So once this test is done, the interview process will start out with a screening interview, right? So where in order to check whether you are meeting the requirements exactly or not, right? Accordingly you will be able to pass the interview as well, right? So in order to get any role inside Chubb, first create your own profile, online profile, and after that you can search for the jobs. Then the particular jobs will be available based on your skill set. Then you can apply for the same. And basically the recruitment process will be having online coding test. And if you are clearing the online coding test, you will be moved to the technical HR interview. And if you are applying for the Chubb's insurance assessment, there you will be having numerical ability, verbal ability, and all those steps. That is the aptitude related topic. And then you will be going to the HR round. So this is how the recruitment process of these two things. Apart from this, if you want to know about the description or eligibility criteria of any role inside Chubb, you can visit their profile, create your own online profile, and then search for it there. There you will be able to see many opportunities, right? And for the first part where I told you, you will be having the coding round, right? So who and all can apply is 2021, 2 and 2020. So these batch students can apply. You should be a graduate. That is the only eligibility criteria apart from any percentage marks or etc. So far this is all about the Chubb recruitment process till the previous year. For this year, as of now, there is no changes as mentioned. If there is any no changes, if there is any changes, you can continuously visit their official website so that you will be able to see the many job opportunities as well as like what are all the changes they are making in their recruitment process and etc. Right. So this is their official website where you will be able to get all the information regarding the interview process and the recruitment process, which is going to be conducted in